Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. Students, today we are going to start lesson number 6, Introduction to Scratch Programming. So this is the last chapter of our syllabus. So let's begin, students. Program and programming language. So in our daily life, we perform many tasks from dawn to dusk. Dawn to dusk means from early morning to the early evening. Yes, so any task that we perform include various steps. We complete it step by step in a particular sequence. Yes, so if we want to perform any task, then we have to perform that task step by step. Yes, so suppose a teacher asks Kabir to bring notebook of his class from the computer lab. Since he is new to the school, so she guides him the way to reach the computer lab. She gives instructions to Kabir in the following manner. Yes, Kabir is new student in the school. So his teacher asked him to take notebooks from the computer lab. Yes, so his teacher given instructions to the Kabir that you have to follow these steps. So move left from the class and go straight. Firstly, he has to move left from the class and he has to go straight. After leaving 5 classes, he has to take a left turn. Yes, after leaving 5 classes. So you can see in this picture here you can see this is Kabir. So he has to go straight and he has to leave 5 classes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 classes. And after that move forward, and after leaving 6 classes take the right turn. Now he has to move right side and now he has to leave 6 classes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after that, after leaving 3 classes, you will reach the computer lab. Now Kabir has to leave 3 classes this, and after that he will reach in the computer lab. So likewise, a computer follows stepwise instructions to complete any task which is known as program. Yes, कोई भी टास्क अगर कंप्यूटर ने परफॉर्म करना है तो उसको इंस्ट्रक्शंस चाहिए. सो दैट इंस्ट्रक्शंस आर कॉल्ड प्रोग्राम. अ प्रोग्राम इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड सॉफ्टवेयर विच टेल्स द कंप्यूटर व्हाट टू डू. यस, सॉफ्टवेयर भी क्या होता है, वो भी प्रोग्राम होता है जो कंप्यूटर को बताता है कि उसने करना क्या है. सो एवरीथिंग दैट हैज़ अ कंप्यूटर डज फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग अप टू शटिंग डाउन इज डन बाय अ प्रोग्राम, बिकॉज कंप्यूटर इज अ स्मार्ट मशीन. Yes, by yourself, by own nothing it can do. Yes, so or computer is nothing but a program. Even the viruses written for the computer are also programs. So the language used to write program is called programming language. Yes, softwares कैसे बनते हैं? With the help of programs. So for writing any programs, we have to use language, any language, and that language is called programming language. And the person who writes these program is called programmer. Yes, कोई भी person जो language को write करता है, programs को write करता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Programmer. So next is introduction to Scratch. So Scratch is a computer programming language that let you create your own interactive stories, animations, game, music and art. Scratch is easy to learn and use. It provides an interactive environment to create programs by dragging blocks of code. Yes, Scratch is also one type of computer language, computer programming language. Yes, and these language children can also understand because this is very simple language. Children can create their games, interactive stories, music and arts. Yes, so simply what children have to do, they have to simply drag the blocks. Yes, and after that blocks will perform task. So next, how to start Scratch. Yes, how to start Scratch. To start Scratch, follow the steps given below. Firstly, you have to click on the start button, then all programs, then after that click on the Scratch 2. Any version of Scratch you can use, but here in this your book, here they are using Scratch 2. Yes, whenever you will click on Scratch 2, this one window, will open. Yes, this is window of Scratch. Now next is main components of Scratch. Components means parts. So now you can see in this picture parts are mentioned. Yes. So this is view full screen option. This is stage, white color. This one is stage. This is sprite. Yes, this cat is called sprite. This upside you can see menu bar. This is title bar, cursor tools, block help option is given. These are tabs. 3 tabs are there. Inside these tabs, block menus are there. Inside blocks, block palette is there. Yes, block palette means all blocks are mentioned here. This is a script area where we have to write script, where we have to pick and drop these blocks. This is new sprite button. This is a sprite list where you can choose any sprite, and this is backdrop icon. Yes, any background changes you can do. So let's begin its reading in detail. So first one is a sprite. What is a sprite? It is a small graphic character that perform actions in a Scratch project. Yes, this is a small graphic character. This is main character that will perform action. So Scratch provide a number of inbuilt sprite, but cat is the default sprite in Scratch. Scratch में काफ़ी सारी sprites available हैं, but जो cat है वो by default होती है. Whenever you will open Scratch window, then cat is a by default already sprite. Yes, but you can change this sprite. So next one we have stage. This is the main working area where the sprite move and perform action. Where is stage? This is a stage. Yes, here your sprite will move. It will perform action on the stage. So here you can watch stories, play games, run Scratch projects. Its value is mentioned using XY coordinates. So next is the sprite list. So it display the thumbnail of all the sprite used in the project. Thumbnail means small pictures. Yes, in sprite list, this is your sprite list. In sprite list, all sprites pictures are present. Any picture, any sprite you can choose. Yes, from the sprite list. Next is presentation mode. Presentation mode or view full screen button is located at the top left corner. Click on the button to view the presentation of your project in full screen mode. Yes, if we want to see our project in full screen mode, then we can choose this view full screen option. This is also called presentation mode. Next is cursor tools. 4 cursor tools are available: duplicate, delete, grow and shrink. Duplicate is used to create a duplicate copy of the sprite. Delete is used to delete the sprite. Grow is used to increase the size of sprite and shrink is used to decrease the size. Yes, grow से size बड़ा होगा, increase होगा, and shrink से कम होगा, decrease होगा. So where are these tools, cursor tools? You can see here, this is duplicate, this is delete, grow and shrink. 4 cursor tools are present. Yes, you can use these. So next is sprite info pane. Means any information related to your sprite you can find. So few tools are also present: circular arrow, linear arrow and disable rotation. So next is new sprite button. So the new sprite button are placed at the bottom right corner of the stage. These buttons provide different ways to create a new sprite. Yes, using this button you can create new sprite. So first one is choose a sprite from library. Library means where all sprites are available. Yes, from there you can choose any sprite. Next one is paint new sprite. Means we want to create our own new sprite. Then we can use paint new sprite. Next is upload sprite from file. Yes, from any file we can also upload sprite. Next is new sprite from camera. Yes, this option open the web camera of your system provided your system is equipped with it. It allow you to click on an image and use it as a sprite. Yes, live image you can click and that image you can use as a sprite. Yes, so today we have to discuss till this point only. Yes, rest of the topics we will discuss in the next video. So take care students, have a nice day, goodbye.